Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title, BERT Topic Modeling in Python, a step-by-step tutorial. Introduction. BERT, Bidirectional Encoder Representations from Transformers, has gained immense popularity for its ability to capture context and meaning in natural language text. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to perform topic modeling using BERT embeddings in Python. We'll leverage the Hugging Face Transformers library to implement BERT and the scikit-learn library for topic modeling. Prerequisites. Step 1, load BERT model and Tokenizer. Step 2, prepare text data. Step 3, perform topic modeling. Conclusion. In this tutorial, we explored how to perform BERT-based topic modeling in Python. We used the Hugging Face Transformers library to load BERT and scikit-learn for topic modeling. You can customize the number of topics, adjust the pre-trained BERT model, and experiment with different text datasets to uncover insightful themes within your data. ChatGPT.